Hello, today we will guide you through how to upload project or design on Behance. To begin, open Behance in your web browser. This is Adobe's creative platform where artists, designers, and other professionals share their work in a polished portfolio format. If you are planning to showcase a design, illustration, branding project, or any other creative piece, this is where the upload process starts. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you are in the right place and ready to create a new project. Next, look to the upper right area of the screen and click on Project. This is the main option used to start publishing work on Behance. Selecting Project takes you into the publishing workflow, where you can begin building out the presentation for your work. If you do not see it immediately, give yourself a second to scan the top navigation carefully, since this is a common place for creation tools and publishing buttons. After that, choose the type of project you want to create. Behance may show different project or content options depending on your account view or the version of the platform you are using. At this stage, simply click the option that best matches what you want to upload. This helps Behance organize your content correctly and gives you the right layout for presenting your design. Take a brief moment here to confirm that you have selected the format you actually want, especially if you are uploading a polished portfolio piece rather than a quick draft. Once you have selected the project type, go ahead and upload your design or project. This is the part where you add your visual work so it can be displayed on your Behance page. Depending on the interface, you may be able to drag and drop files directly into the upload area or select them from your computer. Make sure the files you are uploading are the final versions you want viewers to see. It is also helpful to check that your images are clear, well-sized, and arranged in a way that presents your work professionally. As you complete the upload, keep in mind that presentation matters. A clean, high-quality upload can make your project easier to view and more appealing to potential clients, collaborators, or employers. Take your time during this stage so your work appears exactly as intended. And that's it. You have now gone through the basic process of uploading a project or design on Behance.